turners and makers, and welcome back to my channel. This video is not a project video, it is just my methods of how I sharpen the tools for wood turning. I've had a couple of comments that have asked me if I can just show my way, the way I sharpen my tools ready for the lathe. So without further ado, we'll go over to the grinder and I'll show you the way I do it. Don't take it as the correct way of doing it, it's just my way of doing it. I'll see you over the grinder. Okay, and welcome to the grinder. Right, most important thing before you start to sharpen your tools is a good pair of impact glasses. Make sure you got them on at all times when you're working at anything high powered as a lathe or a grinder. Right, we're going to start with the roughing gouge first. The way I do it is black marker, okay, give that a turn, that's it, and you'll know whether you've got it level because it will scratch off the black marker pen from top to bottom. So it is now ready to put on. And the way I do it, get a bit noisy now. As you're doing it, as soon as you see the sparks coming out of the top, then you know you're near enough there. As you can see, it's nice and sharp now. And quite straightforward, just sharpening them up. Well, that's the roughing gouge. Now we'll do the scraper, and the same goes with the scraper. Just get your black marker, okay. Just turn your wheel, bit on the back. Now I took the black felt off straight away across, and then put it on, turn it on, and as you turn it on just run up and then just go in a motion like that until you see the sparks coming over the top again. Dunk it in a bit of water. There you go. Now ready for the lathe. Now we'll cover the diamond cutting tool, and it's the same goes with that as well. Just black mark it off the black marker. Bring it up to your grinder, adjust. Turn the wheel. Bit more. And that's about ready. So away we again. You put it on and then just bring it up till it touches, and then the same the other end. When you see the sparks coming over the top, take it off and have a quick look. Bit of water, mix up again. There you are. I've always, when I do this one, as you bring it up, just go sideways like that, and then you'll get that nice little cut, and that is now ready for the lathe again. Okay, next up is the skewered chisel. Same again. Cover it in black marker pen. Bring it up. Make sure it's flat on the bed. A bit of scratch. Make sure that it's taking it all off. Which it is. Same again. Right then, now it's time for the barrel gouges. This is the 3/8 barrel gouge, and this is the tool that you get with these jigs that I'm using for sharpening my tools. It goes on like that. Let me just take you around it. I mounted a block of wood there with a block of wood at the end, and that is exactly at 2 inches. So you put that on there like so, Easy and put it up, tighten it up. And that is 2 inches from there to there. Okay, now the same goes with this as well. Put a marquee on. Yeah, and then put it in. You can just line this up by eye. Tighten that down to make sure, and then give it a scratch, and then it takes it off, so then you know that that is ready for the grinder again. So okay, that's all it takes, just a quick run round just to sharpen them back up. This is a 3A spindle gouge, and it's the same method with this. You put it in, you put it at 2 inches, okay, set at 2 inches, same again with your black marker. Give it a scratch off, too much on the back. Take it back a bit, another scratch, and there you go. Safety goggles back on. And there you go. So there's the tools out of the way, and now we'll go over to the bench and I'll show you how I sharpen my carbide cutters. And welcome back. Right, these are your standard carbide cutters you get. You get the square, the circle and the diamond shape, and I'm using a diamond card. This is a 300 and a 600, and what I do is put a bit of fluid on. We'll start with a square. Where it tapers up, yeah, the side with the numbers on is easy, yeah, because you got a bit of a tape again. You want it on that flat side. You put it on, just give it a couple of rounds like that. That's it, then turn it over to the 600. And then same again. Just another couple of rubs. Doesn't need a lot with these diamond cards. And there you go. Now for the round, same again. Just all over, different ways, bigger ways if you want them. On the 300. That's it. Turn it over to the 6. And that's that one. Same goes with the diamond as well. Make sure you'll know whether you got the right thing, because the end that sits on the tool is the taper part where the screw embeds in, so you'll know you got the right way. And there first with the 300. You'll know when it's cutting, because you'll see that the black coming off it, as you can see. And I'll have a bit more stuff. And there is it. And that's how I sharpen my carbide cutters. And also you can use this on your tools as well, you know, such as your scraper. You can put it on like that. Just find where it goes and then keep running it round in a circle like that. Doesn't need a lot. Then over the 600, find where the bevel is again, and then and that will also do the same job. You can find these on eBay. Just put diamond card and they'll come up. They're not really that expensive. You also can buy this fluid that goes with it. A lot of people use WD-40. I haven't tried it yet, but I do buy the proper fluid for the diamond cards. Carbide cutters, woodcraft carbide cutters. You see that? That is where I get my cutters from. I order these and straight away within 2 days they're there, really good. So I hope that showed you just little basic ways of the way I sharpen my tools. Might not be the correct way, but it's the way that I do it and the way I like to do it. There is quite a lot of videos on YouTube about sharpening your tools, so just jot it in the search and have a look. There is better videos than what I've done. Explains more on sharpening tools, but I hope what I've done is enough to just explain the basic ways of just sharpening them up. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and press that squidgy button. See you again soon. Bye now.